How to fix iPhone volume too low. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your control center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. After you open your control center, make sure you have disabled for this option of Bluetooth. Over here you will find this volume icon. From here you can easily increase the volume. Just swipe up in this way. Heading towards next solution, open your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of sound and haptics. Now scroll all the way down. Click on the option of headphone safety. Toggle off for the option of reduce loud sounds. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings. Navigate to the option of general. Scroll all the way down. Click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, what you can do is open this option of software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone volume too low. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.